It's Melissa here, and I just filmed a video about meal train tips, and I thought, why not fill you in on my latest meal train meal that I'm cooking today. Today's meal is really frugal, really delicious, really homemade. Much like my last meal where I was breaking down chickens and making satay out of the chicken breasts, this meal is also a little bit more hands-on. And quite frankly, after a year of rushing around and working and being in the pandemic and being a working mom, I've felt like I haven't had a lot of time. So now that we're on winter break, I'm really relishing the slowdown and just taking my time and doing these recipes that take a little bit more time, but that are so rewarding and delicious. So this morning we started our day with Sam's sourdough waffles. This is a great waffle recipe where you start it the night before and you just add some eggs and oil and a few other ingredients in the morning. I doubled my recipe so that I can make waffles for my family for breakfast, which we just had, and waffles for the family I'm delivering a meal to so they can have them for tomorrow warmed in the toaster. The other foods that I'm preparing today are oatmeal cookies, which are in the oven right now. I made those up a few days ago and froze the dough, and I just thawed it, and I'm putting some spoonfuls onto a cookie sheet. I also just shredded half of a cabbage and a few carrots, you guys. So we're doing a cookout themed dinner for the family. I'm doing tiny burgers with little rolls to make sliders. Pigs in a blanket. These are a turkey, little smoky turkey link. Kids love them, grown-ups love them. They're great as appetizer food. So this is mostly a finger food dinner. I'm serving that with coleslaw and steak fries. So the steak fries I'm gonna do next, but basically I just wanted to talk you through that this is a meal made out of a cabbage, a few carrots, a few potatoes that I have left over from Hanukkah. I'm just gonna cut them real thick, soak them in water for a minute, pat dry, and shove them in my oven like everything is going in the oven. Hold on, there's my cookies. So I'm just gonna pan roast those in the oven and then deliver everything to the family this evening that they can quickly warm up. This is a great meal and really fresh and delicious. So I'm hoping that they love it. I ran it by Mom first, and Mom was like, oh yeah, little burgers would be great for the kids tonight. So I think it's gonna be a hit. Heading into Beverly Hills. If you have questions about meal trains, leave your question down below. I always love hearing what it is that you like to cook for other families. I appreciate you being here on my channel, and now that I have a little time over the break, I wanted to pop back on and share with you. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.